Hi everyone, Zena here, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is, well today is not going to be a makeup look, it's actually going to be an unboxing. I have been receiving Ipsy, Glossy and Birchbox for quite a while now, and I noticed that every time I get one and it has a brush in it, I get super excited, and the brush is always my favorite part of the whole box. So it got me to thinking, if you can get subscription boxes for pretty much everything these days, surely there is a subscription box out there for makeup brushes, because unfortunately the obsession is real. So I was looking around and lo and behold, Morphe Brushes actually has a subscription service. So I was super excited. This works slightly differently to your Ipsys and Glossy box. You don't actually fill out a survey, so the box doesn't really come curated to the types of products that you use. Everyone receives the same brushes, but nevertheless, you know, I don't mind at all. Like, I just love getting brushes, so I don't really care. So for $20, you receive between 3 and 8 brushes, and the value of those brushes are at least $30. So you're basically saving $10 straight away. If you go for a 6-month subscription, you also receive $25 worth of beauty products for free, and if you go for a yearly subscription, you get $50 worth of makeup products for free, which is pretty good. But like I said, I'm just super excited about the brushes. I signed up to the April one, and I ordered it like, what, 5 days ago, and it arrived extremely fast. Like, I can't believe it, because I live in Sydney obviously, and these come from the States, so the fact that they came so quickly was really quite shocking. And I actually only paid $4.95 for the postage, so really good value. So even when you add the postage and the cost of the subscription box, it still works out to be cheaper than the value of the product. And I figured, since I do buy brushes quite regularly anyway, to receive brushes regularly each month at a discounted price means that you're going to be far ahead in the long term. So, you know, it's win-win basically. So let me show you quickly what the package looks like. It looks like this. It's called MorpheMe, powered by Live Glam. I did open it already because I thought that there would be like a package inside, but I guess it doesn't really need to be, so it's pretty much just the brushes inside. Like, it's good, I suppose, not to have extra packaging when you don't need it. It comes with a card like this. It gives a description about what all the products are that are included. So this is April, and April came with 4 brushes. So it gives you a quick description of those brushes here. There is also a video that you can watch, and it shows you how to use each of those brushes, which is really good, because so often I get a brush and I have no idea what to use it for. So the fact that there's a video there is very handy indeed. When you sign up for the first time, you get a free brush as a gift. So you get to choose a brush out of 3 different brushes. The brush that I chose was this one right here. This brush is fabulous for blending underneath the eye, and I, particularly having small eyes, have problems finding a brush that sort of blends well underneath without spreading the eyeshadow way too low, like down on my eyes, and also not getting it in my eyes. So this is like a perfect size for my perfect little peepers. The next brush that I received is this one here. This is probably, out of the 4 that I received, is probably the one that I'll be using the least. That being said, I'll still use it. It's the R4, and this one is used for doing blush and highlight on your cheeks. So yeah, I do use highlight, I don't use blush that often. So that's that one. The next one that I received was the R3, and that looks like this. This is called the Precision Pointed Contour. So this one is used for contouring, can be used to apply any cream product. This one is good because sometimes I use cream products for contouring, other times I use powders. So I can use one brush for creams and one for powders, and I don't have any sort of crossover, which is great. So yeah, this one is really good. And the last 2 brushes that I received are the ones that I'm most excited about. There is this one here. This one is extremely versatile. It's the R33, so you can use this one for nose contouring, but this one is also great for blending and really smoking out a smoky eye. So this is a fantastic brush. And last but certainly not least, I received the R42. This is your standard packing on eyeshadow brush. And this one you can never have enough of, especially when you are doing applying eyeshadows. It's never a good idea to use meatball, shush. I always like to use different brushes for different colors to avoid any muddying, so this one is just perfect, and it's gonna go into my collection. So yeah, that's the pack that I received for the month of April. I was very happy with the product, very happy with how fast it came. So yeah, definitely check it out. I'll put a link in the box below so that you can check it out if you'd like. I will continue doing these videos moving forward, and you can check out what sort of goods I have got. So yeah, that's it from me. I will catch you in my next video, which will be the next look in my party series. So until then, have a great weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.